If you're trying to plan projects with clear milestones but keep getting stuck or overwhelmed, this is the guide you've been needing. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to break any project down into clear, trackable milestones, fast. And if you want to follow along, I've linked an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using in the description, only available to viewers of my channel. So here's how to plan projects with clear milestones, step by step. Start by writing out your end goal. Be specific. If you can't define what done looks like, your milestones won't have any structure. For example, instead of saying launch website, define it as publish a 5-page website with email capture and mobile responsiveness. The more precise, the better. Next, reverse engineer the big steps it'll take to get there. Think high-level phases. For a website launch, that might be research, design, development, testing, and launch. Each one of these becomes your project milestones. Inside the software we're using, you can simply create a new project, then list each milestone with a due date. You don't need to overthink it. Think of milestones like checkpoints. If your project was a race, milestones are the water stations that confirm you're on track. Now break down each milestone into smaller tasks or deliverables. For example, under design, you might have tasks like create wireframes, get feedback, and finalize mockups. Assign each one to a team member or yourself and set realistic deadlines. Here's where most people mess up. They either skip this step or dump too many tasks without connecting them to a milestone. That's how you end up with an unmanageable to-do list instead of a clear roadmap. Milestones should act like anchors, each one marking major progress. Use dependency mapping if your software allows it. This means setting tasks to start only when another one finishes. It keeps everything in sync. The software we're using has this built in. It's super intuitive. Again, link in the description if you want the free trial. Now set review points. Don't wait until the end. Every time you hit a milestone, review what's been done, what's delayed, and what needs adjusting. That's how you stay flexible but on track. And here's a bonus. Add a buffer between milestones. Projects always run into surprises. A small buffer can stop small delays from becoming big problems. Before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Planning projects with clear milestones isn't just about organization. It's how you avoid burnout, keep momentum, and actually finish what you start. Quick recap. Start with a clear end goal. Break it into 4-6 major milestones. Turn milestones into smaller tasks. Assign dates and responsibilities. Use dependencies to keep flow. Review after each milestone. Add buffers where it makes sense. And don't forget, if you want to try the software I use to demonstrate all of this, I've linked an exclusive free trial in the description. It's only for viewers of this channel, and it'll save you a ton of time. Hope this helped. See you in the next one.